Hello, we've just published a report called No Wrong Door. Why no wrong door? Well, children, young people and their families often find that they end up knocking on lots of doors when they need extra help with things like mental health, well-being, behaviour and disability, and unfortunately they often get told they've come to the wrong door, or they wait on a waiting list for a long time only to find again that they were on the wrong waiting list all along. And sometimes they fall through the gaps and don't get any help at all. My team and I visited every region in Wales over the last year with questions from young people and with case examples of where families had fallen through the gaps. Every region agreed that sometimes in their region families still didn't get the help they needed in the place they needed as early as they should have had it. There were also, though, some really good examples of where there's been some exciting new practice with things like panels, hubs and drop-in centres where children and families can get help in one place and a lot earlier. We're living through a pandemic at the moment. As we get into the recovery phase, I want to urge every region to make sure that our services work together to give children and their families the help they need as early as they need it, and that government gives them the support the regions need to do that too. I'll be visiting every region next year to see how they're getting on. Have a look at the report to see more. Thank you. Bye.